You mentioned a podcast, you talk about quite deep topics like trauma, mental health, addiction, recovery. But you both obviously have different personalities. You have different ways of getting the guests to open up.
Yeah. Well, it works so well because the two of us are so different. You know, James would be very book smart, intellectual, you know, where me, and the other side, that didn't come to me very easily, the education side of it. So I had to really kind of dig a little bit deeper into myself, and meditation was the big deal for me. And it helped me to really be able to slow myself down, accept my past, the present, and accept a lot of different things in my life. And that's when my life started to change, because of just accepting everything that was going on. And then things just stemmed from there then, and things just fall into place in recovery. It's like a stairs, you know. You can't go up to the top from the bottom straight away. You have to go through these different individual steps in your life, and they make you stronger for the next one. And that's the way my life has been. I learned to read and write at the age of 32 in prison, and it just stemmed from there, and my life started to change, because education wasn't in my life then. And it was a difficult journey in relation to, I found out I was dyslexic in third level education, and that helped me to understand myself as well. You know, so I had this belief that I was stupid, I was thick, you know. And because when I got this assessment done, then I realised that I wasn't stupid or thick. I just learned a different way to everybody else. And all these different things helped me to grow as a human being then. And I was able to share these different experiences with people then who were going through the same stuff. And that's when I started to realise that it didn't matter that I wasn't smart. All I needed to do was share my experiences, and other people could relate to me. And that was it.
You connect with people on an emotional level.
Yeah.
And then I'd have the kind of the intellectual side, if I can say that, because he said it. And we're different personalities, but I think we complement each other really well.
It works very well, yeah. And the education, like it's like this mountain that we're all told to climb, but there's different ways of being like intelligent. When I met you outside in the hallway, I didn't recognise your face. We had a great conversation. We hit it off straight away. And I've met doctors and professors where they can't even have a conversation. So there's different ways of being intelligent. So thanks so much for sharing that.